sorry, everybody, I didn't see you. So, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Taylor. We're here with more sound effects, police sound effects. So, this is actually pretty cooler than the other one, so let's get started. So, I think this is an ambulance. Nope, police car. Now, this one. Okay. Ambulance. No, fire truck. God dang. Ambulance. I think this is SWAT team because it looks. Yep. I think I did end this video right here because I did all of them. So I hope you subscribe, put a like button. I'm thinking let's do 10,000 subscribers if we can. So bye. And let's sound the whoop whoop.